We're gonna kill your chicken today.
It's a meal.
Hey, today.
Huh.
Hey, get up. Shut up. Today, come on. Today, come on. Get up. Come on. Here. Oh, hold it. Okay, that is it for the TV video. Bye-bye. This is a video that she like your chicken. Because she just want to give her chicken. Do you want me to kill it?
No.
Oh, why? You scared? Are you scared? I know that. What?
You don't want to say anything?
You don't say anything, Julie? You okay? You want to say something?
Yeah, you can say, please don't kill my chicken.
Just, Julie, say, please don't kill my chicken.
No. Please don't kill my chicken.
Please don't kill my chicken.
Please don't kill my chicken.
Why?
I love my chicken. I love my chicken so much.
Oh, okay.
Put a chicken in there.
Julie,
My chicken.
You'll put new water.